everything comes to life. Everything comes to life.
Up there's my love and light beam. She shines down like the sun, it seems. I wave my pen across the page, all I know to do. She sits and zones it all out. I write to figure it all out. Yin yang, balance it all out. All I know is true. This girl keeps me on my toes. No rest, symptoms I expose. Obsessed on something I don't know. Inside the glow of lace, I wait for the circle to shine. When it's never quite enough, I shake 1 second, we're apart. Electric shock signal drops. No reception in my bloody heart. I break myself for her to fix. I ache for the place where I exist. Home, take me to the dome bubble where we're alone. I fake sick to stay with her. My life before was just a blur. Earthquakes and